So you're thinking about moving to Boulder, Colorado? In this video, we're gonna go around, check out 4 different homes in 4 different price points so you can see what may fit inside your budget, because Boulder has such a large range of housing options. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you this hidden little spot in the center of downtown Boulder that you'll definitely want to know about. And let's jump into it. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Denver or Boulder, Colorado, then go ahead and subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market up here in Denver or Boulder. My name is Jamie. The team and I get calls, texts, emails every single day from people just like you who are looking to make that move. So whether you're moving in 7 or 70 days, go ahead, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd be happy to help you make that smooth move to Denver or Boulder, Colorado. So we are here at our first neighborhood of the video on the north side of Boulder, very close to the Nobo Art District up here, about half a mile from all of the major shopping centers on the north side of Boulder, right here at the base of the Flatirons. Pretty newer neighborhood. Half of the neighborhood's about single family homes, half is newer condos. Tons of open space around here. Everything to the north of this neighborhood is open space until you go up there and hit Loveland. Very secluded, very quiet up here. You're on the other side of town from the college, so you don't have to worry about all the hustle and bustle, the noise, the partying. This is a great spot to start out in Boulder. Tons of condos back here. The first one is going to be $439,000, 1 bed, 1 bath, 722 square feet, built in about 2008, comes with 2 parking spaces, center in the middle with fireplaces, a clubhouse. But it's a very quiet neighborhood, playgrounds all around. Very awesome spot to be in, very close to nature. You could definitely ride those hills once they get some snow on them. Let's go ahead and check out the next home on this video. So we're here in our second neighborhood, about 20 minutes northeast of downtown Boulder, so pretty far from it, separated from the whole downtown Boulder by a large open space. So we're pretty secluded. It's very quiet up here. All neighborhoods around, there's a shopping center about 5 to 10 minutes down the road with your grocery store, your small chain stores, but it's pretty quiet, pretty secluded. We're on a peninsula of a neighborhood, pretty much just surrounded by open space. This home's gonna come in at $850,000, 4 bed, 3 bath, a little over 3,000 square feet, built in 1974, which brings it to about $275 per square foot, which is phenomenal for Boulder. Pretty on par with the other suburbs surrounding Denver. It has 2 separate living spaces, a huge patio in the back, a awesome backyard, well maintained as well, that opens up to some space, and still a pretty affordable price point for Boulder. Only 20 minutes from downtown in a very residential, quiet sort of neighborhood. Let's go check out the next neighborhood and home in this video. So we're here at our third neighborhood, still on the northeast side of Boulder, a little bit to the left of the last home that we just showed. This is going to be a little bit more high of a price point neighborhood. As you can see, this trail right here leads to the neighborhood pool, tennis courts, park area. So we're very close to it. This is actually the house that we're gonna check out right here. It's a pretty mature neighborhood. Lots of the landscaping is very well done, very well maintained. There's tons of people walking around as I was driving up here. I just happened to catch it where no one is around me right now. This first house is gonna come in at a little under 1.5 million. 4-bed, 4-bath, 4,000 square feet, built in 1993. So it's about $349 per square foot, which is still really awesome for Boulder. We're away from all of the hustle and bustle on the northeast side in that little area just filled with neighborhoods. Right down the street from that shopping center, about a half a mile or so from the King Soopers and all that. Some awesome restaurants, shopping, breweries. But it's a really awesome house, huge backyard, which you're not gonna find many homes in Denver with a large backyard. And at $349 a price a square foot for Boulder, that is really awesome. And you can see it's just a very well-maintained neighborhood back here. Not a lot going on, very quiet. Let's go check out the most expensive home on this video. So we are here at our fourth and final neighborhood for this video. Very well diverse neighborhood up here. Half luxury homes, half homes built in about the 70s to 80s range. There's a community garden right at the edge of the neighborhood, which is one of the largest community gardens that I've seen. We're only about 8 minutes from downtown, so it's very well placed in the city. You can still get around to everything. This home's gonna come in at $2.6 million, 3-bed, 3-bath, a little over 2,500 square feet. It's an energy efficient home. There is professionally landscaped backyard, a rooftop deck overlooking the Flatirons. There's no expense spared in creating this home. Definitely one of the many luxury homes up here in Boulder. There is a huge luxury market. Let's go check out the hidden gem of Boulder. So we are here at the Dushanbe Tea House up in Boulder, which was actually a gift from Boulder's sister city, Dushanbe in Tajikistan. It took about 40 artisans 2 years to construct this building, and then it was deconstructed and shipped over here to Boulder. It's a great place to get some tea, hang out, eat some snacks, and it's got some awesome artwork inside. If you found this video about Boulder, Colorado helpful, go ahead and subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you'll be the first to learn about the current market up here in Denver or Boulder. And whether or not you're moving in 7 or 70 days, go ahead, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd be happy to help you make that smooth move up here to Denver or Boulder. And we'll catch you next time.